Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, your Bankers Mantram. I hope all are good and preparing well. And in this video, I am going to share my marks of RRB Clerk Prelims 2022 from Smart Kida. And they given 51.5 marks as cutoff, and I got 59 marks. And my accuracy was 93.75. And my total attempts are 64, reasoning 35 questions, and quant 29 questions. And there are 3 mistakes in reasoning section and 1 mistakes in quant section. And for reasoning section, I took 21 minutes for attempting 35 questions and 23 minutes for attempting 29 questions in quant section. And total there are 4 mistakes out of 64 questions, and I got 59 marks. And in reasoning section, one puzzle was time taken, and that's why I attempted 35 questions. And in quant also, there are single problems which are time taken, and also one caselet which is also time taken, and that's why in quant my attempts are low. And also, if anyone have attempted it, you can share your scores in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you.